Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Many of you have been asking me, Tariq, how you made this type of circular image by using your webcam with this cool neon light effect. So in this video, I will show you how I made this. So without further ado, let's jump to my screen. First, we will go to our Chrome browser. Here we will search for Canva. From here, I will go to this element section. Here I will search for circle. From this shape, I will select this item. I will change the color. I need another circle, same, but its size will be little bit smaller. Okay, I will take this. Maybe it's okay. Now I will download it. From share, I will go to download. I will select PNG and keep remember you should tick on this transparent background. Otherwise, it won't work. I need to open my webcam. For this reason, I will click on the right button from here. Here we will go to add source, and after then we will select video capture device. Now okay, so you can see me now. I will take it here and make a smaller size. I will click on the right button again. This thing is so much important. From this place we are going to make it circular. We'll go to this filters and we'll select this plus icon. We'll click on image and image mask or blend. Okay, now click on the OK. Here we will select the image. I will change it from alpha channel. Everything is okay. Close. You can see me. We have already made it circular. Page. Add page, and we will search for neon light. Suppose I need this one for my video, so I will select this. Okay, now it's everything is okay. I will download it from this place. I will select this transparent background, otherwise it won't work. We will go to this image section, download, add existing, okay, and from here I will select that neon light border which I have chosen before, this one. Now okay, dashboard, I will keep it here and adjust it with my, you will select this lock icon. If you want, you can resize it by holding this button. Okay, have a look. I will lock it. So if you face any problem while doing this, you can comment. I will help you. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please then subscribe to my channel.